Disney water parks.
Just keep swimming, just keep... Oh!
It is now time to get back on the chairlift and ride Slush Gusher. Yeah. Slush Gusher, and then I'm gonna get some food.
If you'll be sliding down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, for a safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles.
Keep your hands and feet inside the slide. When you reach the bottom, move to the side immediately. Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be at least 48 inches tall. If you're shorter than that, you can try out T-Bone Springs, one of the coolest rides.
That one too. Yeah. So like this? Alright. That was good. Oh my gosh, I can't see. That was good. So I'm gonna try to get some quick food in just a moment. But before I do that, I'm gonna check out the gift shop here, which is actually kind of located near the lockers or the front of the park. So you can pretty much get your typical snacks here if you don't feel like getting quick service food. But yeah, they also have a lot of merchandise, shirts, whatnot, bags. Here's a Blizzard Beach shirt. So they also have Blizzard Beach merch. So they have some cool like surf styled shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. So they also have sunglasses too, so there's a lot of other stuff here. But yeah, backpacks, sandals. I think I got my sandals from Typhoon Lagoon the other day, but I think they're pretty similar to these ones, except for they just have Mickey Mouse on them. Ah, this is cool. They also have water shoes. I was actually talking about that earlier in the vlog, that I need to get water shoes. So on the way out, I'm definitely gonna look and see. They have the water shoes that I need. Mickey Mouse Crocs. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. They've been around for a while. Check it out, guys. It's the sandals I have. You can get 2 pairs for $22. But yeah, these are like the flip-flops I have. So I grabbed a bunch of park maps. Here's just a few of them. So this is like an extension to my giveaway. So, do you want a park map? Just comment below. I'll try to give away a few of these, like mail some. If you're planning a vacation and you want to know kind of the layout of the park. It is online, but I like having the hard copies, like the actual maps. They're cool to have. So yeah, anyways, I'll give a couple of these away, so just kind of leave a comment, like the video, and I'll get back to you guys and tell you who won. On the Typhoon Lagoon side of this map, looks like they did add Misadventure Falls to the map. So yeah, that is Misadventure Falls, a new water slide. So we are right now at the Lata Wata Lodge. I think that's how it's pronounced, or just Lata Wata. But anyways, we're gonna head in and kind of see what they have. It's just a little quick service restaurant here, Blizzard Beach. It's, the same type of quick service food that you'd get at all of the other Disney parks, but they do have a few little signature twists to their menu. And so they're like right next to the gift shop I just explored, right by the front entrance. So the front entrance is like there. You enter into the park, you have the gift shop, and then you have this quick service place, and it's like one of the few quick service places in the park. Here's a view of some of their items. I think they changed this from the last visit, because I came here last year and things were very different. So we have some burgers. We have the Blizzard Cheddar Burger. We got some chicken strips, grilled chicken sandwich. We have pepperoni flatbread pizza, and then we have a shrimp roll, and then also this Olaf frozen blue lemonade. And so, yeah, definitely a lot of really good options. And if we come over here, I think they're doing a special right now, a chicken fajita flatbread. That looks really good, but I think I'm gonna get a burger. And again, that is the Lotta Wada Lodge here at Disney's Blizzard Beach. I'm gonna check out that menu, but before I actually get something here, I think I'm gonna see if there are a few other restaurants that might have some better options. So we'll see. Come back. Joffrey's has a bunch of stands throughout the park if you want like a quick snack. They also have some stands in Typhoon Lagoon, and you can get the mini donuts here at Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon. I'll show you guys what the mini donuts look like. They're very good, and you can get like dipping sauces, like chocolate dipping sauces and stuff like that with it. So very good. And here's the lazy river. So over by the wave pool, we have the warming hut. We're gonna check out a few of the offerings over here at the warming hut and show you guys what they have. So along with the Lotta Wada Lodge, I think they changed their menu for this season, or this year, but we definitely have some different offerings, I think. We have the Southwest chicken wrap, so I don't really know if I'll get anything from this stand, but just kind of wanted to show you guys the stuff here. And you can get snacks as well. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get some food right now at the Lotta Wada Lodge. Just want to show you guys the wave pool before I head in it a little bit later on, along with the lazy river and some other rides. Check out this Walt Disney World Cup. I got it over at Joffrey's. They have like a hut right there. They have coffee, espressos, hot chocolate, smoothies, snacks, donuts, all sorts of different things. Really good stuff. But yeah, so I asked for like a souvenir cup or like an espresso cup, and here it is. I really like these cups, they're very cool. They also have clear plastic ones for the smoothies. Alrighty guys, so this is my lunch here at Disney's Blizzard Beach, and so I am trying the pretty new, I think it's new because I haven't seen this on the menu before, the Blizzard Burger. And so check it out. It's a burger with guacamole, got tomatoes on there, some lettuce I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we got some lettuce. We have some cheese and bacon at the bottom, along with some kind of signature barbecue sauce. So I'm thinking this is gonna be really good. The combination this looks awesome. And then steak fries on the side, and then instead of coleslaw I kind of opted out and I decided to get some potato chips. So yeah, that is what I am having here. Again, very different than the typical offering. I know they usually give, like before when I've come here, they were shoestring french fries, and then I don't think they had this burger on the menu. So and the buns were different too, so I think this is like a brioche bun, but it looks really good. I'm so glad that they changed up the menu here at the Lotta Wada Lodge, because I come here every so often, and the last few times I've been here, the menu seemed kind of boring, but now they are switching it up and have some really good things, so this is awesome. Yeah. Well, anyways guys, I'm about to try this Blizzard Burger with the steak fries, and then I'll let you know how it is. I've had the chips here before. Very good chips. Very similar to the ones at Captain Cook's at the Polynesian. I think they're called the Hawaiian chips or whatever. But anyways, yeah, let's try this burger. So this burger is really good. There's so many different ways you can, flavor up a burger. This is really flavorful. Great burger. And as for the steak fries, really good French fries. Really like them. I think they're actually better than the shoestring or the crinkle cut Disney Parks fries. That was actually really good and very filling, so I do highly recommend that burger. But I'm sure the flatbreads are also good. Same with the grilled chicken sandwiches, so I do highly recommend it though. Very good. You know, one of my favorite places here at Blizzard Beach to get grab food on the go and whatnot. But anyway, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do the lazy river now. And once I do the lazy river, I'll be heading in the wave pool, and then it'll be time to do Summit Plummet, again, Steamboat Springs, and pretty much everything else. Yeah. Check it out. I think I'm gonna start off with a single tube. If I can get in it, it's so cold. I'm still getting used to the water after having lunch, but alright, let's do this. This giant cave. I think there's waterfalls in there. It should be fun. Alright guys, so apparently, to my knowledge, the red slope, which is Runoff Rapids, this entire water complex right here, it's apparently it's closed because like it never opened with the opening of the park, I guess, for the year. Like after the refurbishment, it didn't open, so it's been closed for 3 months. and apparently, rumor has it, one of the pipe burst, and they don't really have a budget right now to work on that. So my best guess is that it's not going to open until probably August, which is going to be like, it's going to be probably closed for the whole summer. I don't know, we'll have to see. It's kind of upsetting that it's not open because I really like these slides. But anyways, yeah, so I don't think they'll be removing the slide complex. I just think they'll probably not open up for a little while because they have to repair the broken pipe or something. So that's a little update on Runoff Rapids, the red slope. 3 slides closed, you know, pipe burst. They're going to try to have it open by the summer, but it seems like a pretty crazy thing. So I don't know, you know, it seems like they haven't really been testing any water either, so I don't really know what's going on. They're probably working on it though, so we'll have to see what happens. It looks like they've definitely done a lot of landscaping in the park. So the park does look a lot nicer than before, I guess, than last year. So yeah, all new like landscaping, which is really good, important. I think they're still working on landscaping around this slide because they removed a lot of landscaping. But over here, they have some new like fence up, and there's like a construction area back there. We could see a new ride in the future because they did just add a new ride at Typhoon Lagoon, so it's possible they could add one here. But yeah, we're just kind of thinking that's gonna happen. We don't really know yet, but yeah, anyway, so just kind of going through the lazy river. Almost completed a full circuit, a full cycle around the lazy river. Once I do complete this whole lap, then I'm gonna get out and head into the wave pool. We have some markers right here, a couple flags. Now this could be something very simple, like just like landscaping and, you know, regular maintenance, but yeah, we're seeing like construction walls, or just, I guess, walls in the background, and then also flags or markers, so that's interesting. Just something just to consider, I don't know. Love those things. Oh no, it's the ice skater. I think he's sick. I hope we don't get sneezed on. Gonna sneeze on us. Okay. It's funny how they call it. It makes sense that they'd go with a gator because it is Florida. Oh no. Oh. Achoo. Oh! Ew. Good thing it didn't get on me. Snot. Some people think it's water, but it's not. Get it? Get it? That's from the Jungle Cruise. I just thought of that. It's like a little pun. Get it? Not and snot. Anyways, that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so I just did one full loop around the lazy river. It's very cool. It's not that intense though. It's just a lazy river, so you know it's enjoyable though. It's relaxing. If you have a book or something you want to read, that's what I recommend. But anyway, so I'm gonna get in the wave pool now, and I won't spend too long, just a little bit. We'll see how the waves are, and then I'm gonna go back on Summit Plummet and everything else. So it's gonna be really good. All right, check it out. That would be Summit Plummet up there, and here is the wave pool. Yeah. I got myself a raft, and we're gonna have some fun. Waves are about to start. So this wave pool definitely isn't as large as the Typhoon Lagoon one, but I do find this one more enjoyable because I think that signals the waves are... Oh, never mind, they just jumped in to save somebody. Oh, somebody drowning? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I find this more enjoyable than the Typhoon Lagoon one, just because Typhoon Lagoon's more intense. I don't really like it. What's going on? Like I was saying, yeah, I do find this one more enjoyable than the Typhoon Lagoon wave pool, primarily because the Typhoon Lagoon waves just drag you under, and it's not, in my opinion, it's not that great. But here, you can just kind of sit in a raft and enjoy it. So let's wait for the waves to happen. I'm trying to get as far into the wave pool as possible. It's definitely not as big as Typhoon Lagoons, but it's still very enjoyable. Check it out, guys! Waves! Yeah! Whee! I love me some waves! Yay! Oh. These waves better than the Typhoon Lagoon ones, because these ones are just a lot more relaxing than, I mean, if you're not in a raft, it's probably crazy, but yeah, if you're in a raft, it's relaxing. Every time you go down, your stomach drops a little. Oh wow. It's been a while. was gonna do Slush Gusher, but the line for Slush Gusher is really long, so looks like I'll be doing Summit Plummet, and then I'll try to come back and do Steamboat Springs. But yeah, why not? You know, I'll do it. Why not? It'll be all right. I'll be back for everything else. Second ride on Summit Plummet. Let's do this. I can see why there's like no line. This is the best one. I like those too, but I can see why there's no line for Summit Plummet. I don't know, like, I think once you do it once, like the rest of the rides are just like, it's not too bad. I'd do it again. Yeah, I'd definitely do it again right now. But I want to try to switch it up and do Slush and Gusher. So I'm going to go back up and do Slush and Gusher, but I really hope the video came out good this time. I kind of want to do that again since the line is so short though. I feel like the line is never this short for Summit Plummet. So I might go just one more time just to get a video of me going down. Like a point of view video of myself. Thank you. Alright guys. Alright, cool. Alright, thanks. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright. You guys close at 6? Okay. Alright, yep. See ya. Alrighty guys, so I just did that. That was amazing. I love that slide. I love Slush and Gusher. So I think I'm gonna come over here and try to take a little bit of a look at Runoff Rapids. And yeah, it is abandoned. It hasn't really been, I mean, they're doing the basic maintenance on it, but the actual ride hasn't been running for the last 3 months. Like, it's been closed. It hasn't opened since the park reopened after its refurbishment for the winter time. So yeah, it does kind of look like it's not going to open for a little while. It is one of my favorite attractions, so it's kind of it's sad to see it kind of just sit here, but yeah, that's what's happening. Yeah. A little view of the slide. Again, no water because there was some kind of problem with one of the pumps, or pipes rather. So yep, just kind of sitting. It's been sitting for a few months. Hopefully it opens up soon. Again, it's very sad to see it's not open because this is like, it's one of my favorite rides here. It's a really good ride. Here is the sign for snowstormers, but I already went on that a little bit earlier. I'm gonna go back on toboggan racers, because why not? Yeah. There's essentially no line for this one, so I'll get right on, which is great. And I'm hoping I can get on some more rides before the end of the day. The park is starting to close. Here we go. I think I won, but it was a tie, right? Wow. Alright guys, so yeah, I think I actually won. This might be my first time in history ever winning, or at least tying with someone. That was awesome. I think the video came out really good. Yeah. Longest family water ride. Yeah. Whee! Oh. Here we go. Big drop. Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh, we are going fast. Oh man. Whoa. Oh. Oh crap. Oh. Wow, that was more intense than the other ride. Not a single person in line for this. Like, I'm not even kidding. Legitimately, I might be the only person riding this. So it won't be a race, but it'll still be fun. Check it out. Hi. Can I still go by myself, or? Okay, cool. Alright. Yay! So I get to win! There's no way I can lose. There's no way. Like, this guarantee. So I'm gonna try to, I guess I'll get the middle here. Alright. Oh, don't wanna, no! Don't wanna lose that. Alright. Alright. Good to go? Awesome. I'll do that again if I still have time, but yeah, so I won. Check it out. Hi. I think this is like my first official time actually winning because there's no one else who can beat me. I went by myself. Yeah, that was fun. I like that. Well, I pretty much did everything, and I had an amazing day. But there's one thing I didn't do. The kiddie area, aka the Ski Patrol training camp. Yeah. Oh, I feel like a kid again. Oh man, this is crazy. Whee! Oh man. Alright, after doing Summit Plummet, I can pretty much do anything. And I'm gonna do the kid slides. That was that. Blizzard Beach. Great park, great rides. Much better than Typhoon Lagoon in my opinion. The only downside I guess for today was that Runoff Rapids. The red slope was closed, but I still got to do a lot. And I'm here at park closing basically, so I decided to stay after. There's not really any reason to stay any longer because, you know, everything's kind of closed, but yeah.
Ensure that you've gathered all your personal belongings in the beach and locker area.
There's Summit Plummet. Definitely need to experience this park at night at some point. So if you guys know how to do that, leave a comment. I think in the summer they're definitely open till like 8 or 9. But right now it's spring, so they are closing around like 6 or 7.
But you're charging the difference between the 133 and the 50.
Well anyways guys, thanks for watching. I had a great day and I'm going to go to Disney Springs now. But I'm going to try to come back this summer, a lot more to Blizzard Beach. And I think there's a couple days, there's a couple days, they're open until 8 p.m. So I should be able to get at least a night experience, I hope, in the near future, maybe in the summer.